Hi everyone, this is Abhinav from PhoneBunch and today we are unboxing the iBall Stellar A2 tablet. It's a voice calling tablet. Now in the past I have been on the fence about voice calling on tablets, but let's see if this can change my opinion on it. Now it comes with a 1.7 GHz octa-core processor, 3000 mAh battery, 7-inch IPS display, 1 GB of RAM, 8 GB internal storage, running Android 4.4 KitKat. And you have 8MP rear, 8MP front facing cameras. Voice calling is also supported as I have already told you, and it's available for Rs 11,000 exclusively from Snapdeal. The link to buy this will be in the description. So folks, here's the iBall Stellar A2. Keeping that aside, let's see what else we have inside the box. So you have a USB OTG cable. USB OTG is supported on the device, obviously. Next up, you have some sort of stickers. You have a very nice looking headset over here. It's an in-ear style. Seems of good quality. We'll definitely check that out. Something new, a microfiber cloth for cleaning, and you have a pouch to carry your tablet in as well. Next up, you have a wall charger rated at 1 ampere, so it should charge a 3000 mAh battery quickly. A micro USB data syncing and charging cable, and a lot of documentation with a quick start guide. I will have SAR notification right up top. Now folks, here's the iBall Stellar A2. You have a 8 megapixel front facing camera. You have the speaker right in the front as well. On the left you have the power lock and unlock button, and you have metallic sides with chamfered edges, which makes it very pleasing to hold. Excellent build quality over here. Now strangely, there is no volume rocker on this device. That's a strange omission really. At the bottom you have the 3.5 audio jack, micro USB data syncing and charging port, and this part actually is removable. So you can have access to your dual SIM card slots as well as the micro SD card slot. So this is a dual SIM device. It supports 3G connectivity. You have the microphone right there as well. At the back, dual LED flash, 8 megapixel camera. Now the back is actually made out of plastic, but the entire frame is made out of metal, which gives quite a bit of strength to the overall build. Overall, very sturdy construction. The only glossy part is at the bottom. Now we have started booting up the device. As I have said, you have 8 megapixel camera as well as a speakerphone right up top. You don't have any buttons at the bottom, so buttons should be on screen. A 7-inch 1280 by 800 pixels IPS display over here. There is no Corning Gorilla Glass protection. I'll come back after setting up the device. So folks, now we have booted into Android 4.4 running on the iBall Stellar A2. You can see the iBall logo there. Soft touch menu key, home button right there as well. Now instead of having a physical volume rocker, you have on-screen buttons this time around. You can see those. Now that's a really strange omission on a tablet, because if you are watching any videos, you are playing some games, you don't want to really swipe down, increase or decrease volume. You should have had a physical button right there. And you can see this tablet is running Android 4.4.2 KitKat. We have no news whether it will be upgraded to Android Lollipop. Now you have about 5 gigs of total space available out of that 8 gig. USB OTG is also supported, so I've just plugged the USB OTG pen drive. I'll play a 1080p video for you to test that out. And video playback is actually flawless over here. You can see you have to always increase or decrease volume like that. So that's a bit of a bummer. Now out of that 1 GB RAM, you have more than 430 MB available when the tablet is idle. Now you have several gestures built in as well. You have double tap to wake, always very useful over here. And you can draw several characters on the display to open up different apps. C opens up your phone dialer. And this tablet supports voice calling. As I've already told you, it is a dual SIM tablet as well. Now the launcher is very familiar if you have used the Google Now launcher. Well, instead of having Google Now to the left, it has just home screens. Now this display has good viewing angles. Colors do look alright. The display quality is definitely not up to par over here. I don't know whether you can see that. Text as well as icons look quite pixelated. Now coming to the cameras, it's a familiar MediaTek camera interface. You have 8 megapixel rear and 8 megapixel front facing camera, several scene modes available. Now this tablet can capture 1080p videos with the rear camera. You can see that right here. Now let me take a quick photo. Exposure compensation does look good. Now here's the image that I just took. Colors do appear a bit bland actually, but overall good image quality. Now we have opened up PhoneBunch.com. Let's open our full website. And here scrolling is actually pretty smooth. Text and images do render quickly as well. Pinch to zoom is very smooth. So touch response from this display is actually pretty good, as is general performance. Apps do open up quickly. We are running a octa-core MediaTek chipset over here, clocked at 1.7 GHz. It is based on the Cortex A7 architecture. Overall very smooth performance. Now the iBall Stellar A2 actually looks like a giant smartphone. If you compare it with the Nexus 7, which has the same 7-inch display, you can see that there is a huge difference in size. The Nexus 7 is far wider than the iBall Stellar A2, has thicker bezels as well. Now being a tablet, you would be using this in landscape mode as well. And here the UI shifts pretty quickly. It is quite usable given the thin side bezels. It is very easy to use. Yes, the bezels at the top and bottom of the display could have been slightly smaller. And you get this neat cover within the box as well. Not the best in quality, but then again it comes free within the box. Well folks, that was a quick unboxing and hands-on of the iBall Stellar A2 voice calling tablet. Now I'm not that into voice calling on tablets, but this tablet also comes with 3G video call, so that might actually be more useful. It has a 8 megapixel front facing camera. We'll be back with more on it. It is available exclusively through Snapdeal. We'll have the link in the description to buy this tablet. Stay tuned to PhoneBunch.com for the latest in mobile technology and more on the iBall Stellar A2. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let us in the comment section. And as always, have a great day.